Max, do you know those people who cannot answer even the simplest question normally? You ask them where the bathroom is, and suddenly you're attending a history lecture.
And today's video is about Milton Crumb, the man who can turn small talk into a university course.
Milton, where's the bathroom?
Excellent question, Oscar. Bathrooms became significantly more organized during 19th century sanitation reforms after major urban survey. And that's scientifically fascinating.
Wow, Milton, it's becoming an emergency. Right, of course. So technically speaking, urgency itself is fascinating because the human brain begins responding psychologically. Before stop, I need help now.
Fascinating, Milton, truly.
I don't need a documentary! But Oscar, it's important!
Milton has a beautiful talent for elaborating during disasters.
If you keep elaborating, it will be too late. Take the second door after the espresso machine.
To elaborate means adding more details or explanations to something.
Milton, do you want popcorn?
Well, popcorn is actually an emotionally interesting snack because historically speaking, movie theaters strategically used smell marketing during the 1930s.
Milton, we get it. It's just popcorn. The movie has started.
Now, personally, I prefer medium-sized popcorn because excessive butter distribution creates structural inconsistency.
We missed the first 15 minutes.
Excellent timing analysis.
Milton, why are you so long-winded? I simply believe informed snack decisions matter.
If someone is long-winded, they use far too many words to say something simple.
Milton, should I buy this phone or not?
Zara, that depends entirely on battery efficiency, software optimization, and interestingly enough, the history of mobile communication began with Alexander Graham Bell.
Oh no, he got sidetracked again.
Fun fact, the first mobile phones were almost the size of bricks.
We asked one question 20 minutes ago.
And that is why ringtone psychology is deeply fascinating.
We came here for a charger! All right, calm down.
Okay, let's find it.
Good.
To sidetrack means moving away from the main topic into something completely different, and which Milton does every 14 seconds.
Milton, can you just unlock the car?
Absolutely. Modern car keys actually use radio frequency identification technology, which communicates through encrypted electromagnetic signals. I didn't realize.
Thanks, Professor. Milton, just press the button.
Oh, right! One sentence. That's all we needed. I enjoy providing context.
You overexplain unnecessarily.
To overexplain means explaining something more than necessary. Usually after everyone already understood it. If you want more examples and detailed explanations of these expressions, and if you know someone exactly like Milton, check out the blog on flairforwords.com, link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.